We just got back from a trip to Waco. If you're curious about everything Magnolia, stick around. We're going to talk about it in this video. So let's talk about Magnolia and Fixer Upper.
Okay.
So first was breakfast, right?
My opinion of the breakfast was it was very underwhelming.
I felt like the food was underwhelming.
Yeah.
Except for the croissant.
The croissant was good.
Pretty good.
The
And
place
the
was
biscuit,
nice.
We had the flight of...
Yeah, we had a
Mimosa
flight.
So then we went to the silos.
But it was cute. I thought it was... The whole space, I thought, was cute. And that you went into the different buildings that were targeted to different types of merchandise. I mean, it was just cute how it... And the buildings were all obviously very well done.
Yeah, maintained.
And just the whole place was... It was nicely done.
There was nice places to shop, yet nice places to relax.
So if you go, make sure you leave time to visit all the shops.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's not much to do there.
Shop.
If all the food trucks were open, there'd be a lot of variety of places to eat.
I think like
kid
Yeah.
friendly.
if they have
kids turn around.
kid friendly,
Yes.
or if they're having an event like a concert or
Yes.
something, then it'd be a lot cooler.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And we went to 1928, and we were going to have drinks and happy hour on the roof. However, there was a gas leak downtown, so they had the whole place.
So then we did a tour.
But we did do.
Who was-
We did walk around the hotel, which
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
it was cool.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, so who did the tour? What was
Dan-
that place called?
Brazos. Brazos
tour.
tour. It was a fixer-upper tour.
Yeah.
And Danielle, who we think is the owner, that was interesting. It was 2 hours, and she took us around to the different fixer-upper homes. And she's from Waco native, so she had a lot of information about Waco in general.
She basically took us around to different houses that have been on the show.
We did get to go into the one that the
That's a little pig house.
three little pig house.
So we could go in and walk around that house. It was season 3, episode
12?
12, maybe?
Or 13?
12.
The Three Little Pigs house. So going inside and seeing one of those in person was kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then we ended up at Lucky Bucks Rooftop Bar.
Yeah.
Recommend.
Enjoyed it.
Yes.
Recommend.
That was
Recommend.
fun.
That's a good bar.
Yeah.
You're on the rooftop. It has a view of the silos and downtown. Good drinks, and the pickle shot is delicious.
Delicious.
So that's Magnolia.
That's Magnolia.
Would I recommend coming? If you're a fan of the show, I think that it is very interesting to see where they filmed all the shows that are houses and the shows we saw.
Yeah.
If you're not a fan of the show, I don't know that it would be a place
Yeah.
you would care to visit.
If you're in Texas anyway,
Drive by.
and you're going by
Yeah.
Waco, stop in and see it. It's definitely
Yeah.
worth it.
Yeah.